9 characteristics that millionaire businessmen have in common. Now, in May 2005, Forbes published a report that there were 691 billionaires in the world. Now, these days, 1,400 people across the globe develop into millionaires daily. Want to become one of them? I certainly do. Everyone desires the liberty to do service in the method they select. There is so much power in running your own business and having a company that runs itself, which for many people is the dream. Earning money is not the only objective of ending up being an internet millionaire. It has to do with flexibility. Lots of people across the world are talented with experiencing this freedom every day. Just how can you become one of these individuals? What type of life as well as business do you intend to run? I'm sure you would certainly like to be able to inspect your email from your private aircraft. These are the kind of goals many individuals want when they begin to forge ahead with their business concept. Now, the fact is that the rich, as well as the effective millionaires, have 9 attributes alike, not that different from a lot of individuals most of us know. The majority of them display some or all of these. Now, the reality is that all of us have the capability for achievement if we can train ourselves to maintain this in mind as we go about our company day. 1. They do not criticize. Successful businessmen do not blame others. As opposed to making reasons for negative outcomes or reassigning obligations to others, they require time to pick up from their own errors. They are critical. Millionaire types dream, and they take quick, crucial action lined up keeping that vision. They are actively orientated, constantly pushing forward towards their objectives. They trust their instinct. If something looks like it's not quite appropriate, they rely on that reaction. If a chance delights them and seems like a terrific suggestion, they go for it. They are alone concentrated on their core organization. Successful entrepreneurs may be influenced by suggestions, but they constantly remain true to their vision. They concentrate on chances that are straightened with their company's objective. They market their items on eBay, write posts, focus on joint endeavors, and also most likely to advertise seminars. However, every one of their initiatives, as well as focus, helps them move forward with their main goals. Their marketing concentrated. Millionaires consist of such titans as Cost Gates, understanding the value of building on their core business. They hire people with specialized in advertising. They strive at building their email checklist, acquiring direct exposure, and also are constantly seeking methods to get into a larger target market. If you intend to build a good revenue, you market products and services. If you intend to be hugely abundant, after that you produce and manage markets. The secret to your organization and also create an amazing success is marketing. They understand the value of proceeding education and learning. Effective businessmen are constantly discovering and also drawing from other individuals' experience. They listen to just how other individuals have actually attained their success, particularly if these people have experienced an additional sector. They are frequently learning about brand new strategies and techniques, and also considering how they can use it to their very own service. They are not worried of making blunders. A huge company online will tell you that they have had their share of downfalls, even such titans as eBay.com or Craigslist. Errors are building blocks for success. By making errors, you learn what works as well as what does not work. You don't have to get it right, you simply have to get it going. All of us make mistakes, as well as one of the most effective points you can do is obtain comments from them. Response is a great way to learn from your clients and also colleagues. You require to look at feedback as well as take it with a grain of salt. It aids you discover as well as expand. They design their companies for success. Internet millionaires design other people, methods and systems. They constantly seek designs of success in day-to-day life and also consider how to incorporate these lessons into their own techniques. They also check out their competitors for solutions. Whatever specific niche you're in, sign up for some industry e-newsletters, buy their items and learn how they produce success. They develop a group to rely on. No matter what phase you are in with your service, you have actually recognized that you can not do everything. You cannot be a professional in everything. You want to create a terrific team of people. Exactly how can you locate them? Most likely at workshops and also webinars. Develop your networking abilities. You'll typically discover that like-minded people that are out there continuously finding out as well as participating in seminars and workshops. Getting rich is a group sporting activity. You'll have to have people that are supporting on you, encouraging your success. These are some inherent attributes of service millionaires. If you can maintain these principles in mind, you've obtained the millionaire state of mind. No, you aren't going to get there overnight. Making $1 million takes a while. You cannot make $1 million if you haven't made your first 100. So focus on the initial 100, initial 1,000, and first 100,000. Thinking this way goes a long way towards your objectives, locating success, obtaining treasures, and living the kind of life you want to live. I hope you've taken something out of this video. If you like my videos, please press the like button below. If you press the bell and put all, you'll get informed when my next video comes up. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching and goodbye.